Alright guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the scientific constants in your Casio calculator. Your calculator comes with 40 inbuilt scientific constants that can be used in any mode besides the base N mode. So each of these scientific constant is displayed as a unique symbol, just like you have in your pi here, and you can use them as a whole or use them inside of some calculations. Okay, so I will quickly show you how to go about it, and I'll use an example to show you how you can use them in your calculations. So to input a scientific constant, all you have to do is to press shift 7 and then you follow it up with 2-digit number that correspond to the constant you want to use. So here to my left here is a list of the 40 constants available in your calculator and the corresponding 2-digit numbers. So we have here from 01 to 40. So for example, if you want to use the constant of Celsius in temperature, you just type in 38. If you want to use electric constant, type in this corresponding number, which is 32. If you're trying to use the Boltzmann constant, you can use 31 here, and that is how you can go about it. So let's use, for example, I already pressed shift 7. Okay, I'll just clear it out. So to go about it, first of all, you need to press shift 7 as I said, then you type in the corresponding constant, so corresponding digit. So for this example I'm going to be using 28, which is the speed of light in a vacuum. So once I type this out, the corresponding digit is 28, so pressing 28 will give us the constant CO here. If I press the equal to sign, it's going to give us the exact value for the speed of light in a vacuum. I'm going to use this example to show you how you can use some other constants here in your calculations, and the example in mind is this one here. Okay, so I'm going to be using this example where C is equal to 1 over the root of electric constant and magnetic constant. These two constants are also here, and we can see them in 32 and 33 respectively. So I'm going to be using them, and I'll need you to take note of this figure here, 299792458. So I'll use these two constants in this calculation and see if the result is going to give me the same thing as this. So to do that, I'm going to quickly use the fraction function to input this formula here. To do that, I'll just press here, and I now have my fraction function. I'm going to do a video on this, so watch out for it, how to use the fraction function. Okay, so first thing here, the numerator is 1. I press 1 as my numerator. According to the denominator, see there's a square root here, so I'll type in square root. Next thing is my electric constant. So just like I explained, it's the digit here is 32. So I'll go back to my command. I'll do shift 7 and then ask me what is the digit, and for my electric constant you can find it in 32. So I'll type in 32. Immediately you can see it has introduced this constant. Next I'll have to also type that of magnetic constant, so I repeat the same process, shift 7 and then type in 33. So with that I have my complete calculation. All I have to press is just the equal to sign, and you can see here that it brings back our constant, which is 299792458, which is the value for the speed of light in vacuum. With that, I'm sure you understand how to go about using these scientific constants right behind your calculator. Don't feel free to post in the comment section whatever you want to do, and don't forget to like